This is TechMed. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change OPPO A5S LCD. The first thing you have to do, you have to put in the hot machine, if you have one, at least for 10 minutes. This will make it more easier for you to remove the back cover so that the glue become more weak for you to open it easily. The second thing, you need to get all the tools. You need to get the tools, the opener, to make it easier to open the back, right round, so you can open the phone. After you open the back cover like this, you have to be careful for the fingerprint cable at the back, the fingerprint ribbon at the back. You take your time to open it slowly. Okay, after you open it, you open it slowly like this. You take your time for the fingerprint ribbon at the back, this one. You take your time to remove this cover. Be careful. You take your time. Then you remove the cable. Okay. Then you open all the screw at the back. All this side there's a screw. You have to open all the screw at the back. There are so many screws at the back, so you make sure you open all the screws from the back. Then you remove the SIM tray. You remove the SIM tray to make the cover easier to open. You be careful for the SIM card. Then you can use the same tools to open it at the back here. Just take your time, go slowly, open it right round, just like this. Okay. Then you take out the battery connector. This one you take out. Then you try to open this gum. Remove the battery. You open it slowly. You ace it up slowly like this, and you take out like this. Remove the battery. Then you remove this rubber. Okay. Then you take out this cable, screen cable. Okay. after you remove all those things, you have to put in the machine again at least for 5 minutes. On the machine, you put it for 5 minutes to remove the LCD, because there is glue on the LCD right round. You have to remove that one also. You have to use the same tools to remove the LCD also. You start from the top there where it's cracked. As for this one, you can remove it anyhow, because this is the brake screen. You just remove it anyhow. Okay. Okay. All right. Then you have to remove all the glue at the side. Make sure you remove it properly. Then you have to apply the glue right round. You have to apply the glue only at the edge of the phone like this. And you have to be careful for the sensor. The sensor have a to hold this side. Don't put glue this side. Okay, this is the sensor. You just stop the glue halfway close to the sensor. And make sure you put the glue properly round of the phone. And you fix the screen. Just make sure you fix the screen properly from here like this. You make sure the cable like this. This cable have to pass through this hole here. You have to pass through this hole here. You put it properly like this. Okay. And you put the screen. The new screen. And make sure you be careful for the connector, this side, the screen connector. You have to be careful for this screen cable. Fix it properly. Just push the rubber like this. And open the rubber again, put on top. Fix the battery. Make sure you fix the battery, make sure you fix everything properly. Then you fix the back cover. Then you replace all the screw again. You have to replace all the screw again at the back. Also, you have to remove all the glue at the back of the cover. You clean it so that the back cover will close properly. Then you need to apply the glue also at the back of the phone, right round. And you put the screw to close it properly. If you have the rubber band like this, you have to put it here to support the screen to close properly, at least for 1 hour. You have to put it there at least for 1 hour. You leave it there for 1 hour. Then try to on the phone and see. It's on. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe to MedTech so you can see more videos like this. Thank you.